In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate sending emails to forms in Microsoft in just 5 minutes. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and ensure they never miss a response from their Microsoft forms. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up email notifications for every response your form receives. So let's get started and make your forms work smarter for you. First, let's open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Forms and hit Enter. This will lead you to the Microsoft Forms homepage. If you haven't already, bookmark this page for quick access in the future, as you'll likely revisit it often. Once you're on the Microsoft Forms page, the next step is to sign in. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the account where your forms are saved. If you have multiple accounts, double-check to ensure you're accessing the correct one to avoid any confusion or mix-ups later on. Now that you're signed in, it's time to open the form you want to manage. If you have several forms, you'll see a list or grid of your available forms on your dashboard. Click on the specific form that you want to set up with email notifications. This will bring you to the form's main page, where you can view your form and its responses. Next, look to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you will find the settings icon, which usually resembles a gear. Click on this icon to reveal various form settings options. These settings allow you to manage numerous aspects of your form, but today, our focus is on notifications. Within the settings menu, you will find an option to receive notifications. Specifically, you should see a checkbox labeled Get email notification of each response. Click on this checkbox to select it. By checking this box, you enable email notifications for every response submitted to your form. It's a straightforward step, but remarkably powerful in ensuring that you are immediately updated whenever someone fills out your form. And there you have it. You've successfully set up automated email notifications for your Microsoft form. This small adjustment can make a significant difference in how you manage your responses, ensuring that you remain on top of your incoming data without having to constantly check your form manually. Thank you for tuning in to today's quick guide on automating email notifications for Microsoft Forms. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. And make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity. Have a great day, and happy form managing.